Some examples given from the lesson. See here. First farmer, second farmer conversation. Why are your men taking away the entire crop? This is a question. So to change questions, interrogative type of sentences from from direct speech to indirect speech, what were the rules to be followed? Why are your men taking away the entire crop? Is a sort of asking, inquiring. So generally in affirmative sentences, if they ask said, Ram said, like that. So said we use like said, and any other conjunctions like that we use. Here it is an interrogative word, and that too in interrogative also two kinds of sentences are there, yes or no type of questions and WH questions. This particular sentence WH question related interrogative. So the same word should be carried, and tense change is normal. Why are? Are is present tense, so it changes into past tense. Why is the WH word which is to be used as it is. So what all the changes takes place in when that particular sentence is spoken by the farmer into indirect speech. Let us see. The first farmer asked. Asked word is given because you see the first example, asked word is given. It is a question. So it's a sort of enquiry. So the first farmer asked to whom? The officer. To whom he asked? The officer. We have to suppose. Here the listener is not given. In such case, the listener, according to the situation, we have to suppose. Here the first farmer spoke to the officer like this. So the officer word, even though not mentioned there, we are fixing there by supposing the listener. The first farmer asked the officer. This is a WH question. Why is the question word in the direct speech. The same word to be taken. So why? Your means here officer's man. So his is mentioned by thinking the officer's men. So why his men? His men means officer's men. Why are your men taking away the entire crop is the question. That is to be changed like the farmer, the first farmer asked, it's a question, that's why. Asked whom? Asked the officer. Why his men? His men means the officer. You or your should refer to the listener. Here your means the passive character means the officer whom we supposed there. Why his men are changed into, are is present tense, it changed into past tense, were taking away. Why his men were taking away the entire crop. So no more question marks, because you observe the difference. Why are your men? So auxiliary verb placed beside the WH word, and here if you observe his word followed by WH word. So why his men were taking away the entire crop, and this expression is no more an interrogative expression. So it's just became a normal one. So we removed question mark. So in indirect speech, no question mark. You can observe the pronoun his after WH word. So it should be expressed in normal manner. Coming to second example. Second farmer is speaking. Your men have taken away everything. So in this sentence, second farmer is speaking. So you can see here the second farmer said. It is not a question, it's a general statement. So said word as a reporting verb word we have taken. The second farmer said conjunction that in affirmative type of sentences we use. So that is the conjunction. The second farmer said that your men means officers' men. So your means their, you have to change your by referring to the officers' men. So their men have taken away. Have taken is present perfect tense. So it should be changed into past perfect. Had taken, have taken changed into had taken away. Have taken away changes into had taken away everything. So the second farmer said, it is a normal affirmative type of sentence, that's why that is the conjunction. The second farmer said that their men had taken away everything. Let us see next example. Officer is expressing something. You are still in arrears. If you don't pay tax, next week I'll send you to jail, is the dialogue spoken by the officer. For this question, the officers reply, this one. So, reply word in past tense, replied, like we have taken as reporting word. See, the officer replied, it is a normal statement, that's why that is the conjunction. The officer replied that if that is there, the officer replied that they were still in arrears. You are still in arrears for that sentence. That you means who, the farmers. Are present tense changed into past tense were, you can see here. And they means farmers were still in arrears, and also warned them, because it's a sort of warning. If you don't pay tax next week, I will send you to jail is a warning. So warned word as a verb we have taken, and warned them, again conjunction that only, and warned them that if you don't pay, you means here who, the farmers only, if they don't present tense, don't pay present tense changes into past tense, did not pay. If they did not pay tax, the next week changes into the following week. So next week word changed into the following week. Observe that in the indirect speech. Did not pay tax the following week. He means the officers. Here the officer, he would send them. I will send you to jail. But here it changes, he would send them to jail. Here them means the farmers. He means the officer. He will change, I will send, will changed into would. He would send them to jail. You means here who, the farmers. So that's why in the place of you, them word we use. Them refers to the farmers. Observe all the changes I have given here. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. So in EPP, it is already the topic, reported speech topic completed. And once if you go through all the rules in EPP, you can recall already completed topic in the beginning days. If you have videos still with you, please watch the videos for the rules, children. And directly I have given some examples with direct explanations without going to basic rules, because already in EPP we have completed this particular topic. So once go through those videos. Just I am briefing, that's it. First man, we must educate our brothers. Second man is saying, and try to improve their material conditions. Third man is speaking, for that we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. These are the three man's dialogues. How the dialogues will be changed once see. The first man said that we must educate our brothers is a statement, normal statement. And how it changes, how the beginning lines. The first man said that, in the next page I have given once see. they must educate their brothers. This is the answer. See, that we means all these people together. So we means they, you have to, they here changes, we changes into they, which is referring of all the people who expressed this. The first man said that they must educate their, our brothers means their brothers, their own brothers. So the first man said that they must educate their brothers. And if you observe second one, the first man said that, as I told you, they must educate their brothers. Second man added word they have taken once, observe, because already first man's expression expressed. In addition to that point, he is adding some more. So added word only in past tense they have taken. The second man added that is the conjunction for affirmative. The second man added that they means all together, these people all, they, what is the sentence here? Try to improve their material conditions. So they should try to improve their material conditions. Should try to, that they should try to improve their material conditions. Here second one. The second man added that they should improve their, they should try to improve their material conditions. Third one, see, the third man suggested. Third man, a sort of suggestion that we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament, our complaints. We must put forth in front of British Parliament. Third man suggested. So suggested word we have taken there. Conjunction that only, because affirmative kind of sentence only. The third man suggested that they must convey, we must convey changed into they must convey their grievances. Our means their, those only. Their grievances to the British Parliament. So in such a manner, I have given some more examples. So second example, see, the first soldier, second soldier and third soldier, how they were conversing. The white soldier gets huge pay, mansions and servants. Second soldier spoke, we get a pittance and slow promotions. Third soldier spoke, who are the British to abolish our customs? So these three people's conversation, observe the reporting verb. The first soldier said that, conjunction that I have taken here. The first soldier said, because it is an affirmative, what they said, the white soldiers gets huge pay, mansions and servants. Gets is a present tense. In affirmative kind of sentences, present tense there means it changes into past tense. See, the white soldiers gets changed into got. What they got? Huge pay, mansions and servants. The first soldier said that the white soldiers got huge pay, mansions and servants. If you observe the second sentence, second soldier expressed, we get a pittance and slow promotion. It's a sort of remark he had made. So the second soldier remarked that, again that is the conjunction because it is an affirmative expression. We get a pittance and slow promotion, they said. So we means all these people, soldiers. So they get changed into present tense, change into past tense, got a pittance and slow promotions. That they got, the second soldier remarked that they got a pittance and slow promotions. If you observe the third statement, it's a sort of question. Who are the British to abolish our customs is a question. So the third soldier, question, observe. In affirmative types, that is the word we used as conjunction, and reporting verb also said we used or remarked. Here it is a question, that's why asked. The third soldier asked, it is a WH question, I told you. WH questions time, the same WH word repeats. So who, here who are the British, are is the present tense changes into past tense, but it comes after the noun. Who the Britisher, who the British were, see, who the British were. With that placement only, this became a normal sentence, this particular question. Who the British were to abolish our customs. No question mark, because the British word noun came beside WH word who, and are changed into past tense and came beside the British word were. Who the British were to abolish their customs. So this is a question. When the question comes, asked, inquired, questioned, these words we should use in the place of said. If it is an affirmative sentence, said that we can use, but here those words won't come because it is a question. In question, the same question word followed by noun, then verb change. Who the Britishers are changed into past tense were to abolish our customs. Are means who are these peoples, soldiers. That's why their customs, to abolish their customs. So these are the three good examples. Thank you children. For your more reference, you can go through EPP. So many examples, kind of sentences wise, types of sentences wise they have given in a reported speech. Go through it. When I give the worksheet, in that I will try to cover all the kinds of sentences and I will explain. Okay. So go through these all topics and question and answers.